Hey y'all, Dana here. You need a dessert real fast? Keep this stuff in your pantry. You're gonna wanna make the Ooey Gooey butter cake often. And I got this recipe from Miss Paula Dean and it's a good one. Today I'm making a chocolate one, so I'm gonna need a chocolate cake mix of your choice. Just pour it in here. This is so simple. You're gonna need 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Then we're gonna mix that together and that will be the bottom of it. So simple. You need butter, 1 stick of melted butter, and you need 1 beautiful egg. All right, now let's let the mixer do the work. That's it. All right, this is very thick and we've got to take our 9 by 13 and we've got to put a little cooking spray on it. This is the baking kind for cakes. If you want to use butter, do that. But what we're going to do is pour this out and get every little drop of it. Oh yeah. And then just make a crust. And y'all, this is gonna be some good eating really, really soon. I'm gonna get in there with my clean hands. Clean hands are a wonderful instrument. Yum, chocolate, I know. Sometimes we all just need some chocolate. And if you gotta go to an event like I do this weekend and you gotta take something, like what can I take and what have I got that I don't have to run to the grocery store? Well, this is what I got. And I gotta tell y'all, I keep this in my pantry and refrigerator so that I can make this at the drop of the hat. Gotta take some food to somebody, you got something. Okay, bottom layer done. Let's do the top layer. The top layer, we're gonna pull out the same thing we just used. We're going to put in 1 block of cream cheese that's room temperature. There you go. We gotta just beat this until it's smooth. You gotta beat this till it's smooth. Then we're gonna add the eggs and the vanilla. We're gonna add the eggs 1 at a time. You have to add 2 eggs to this. Then we're going to add some vanilla. Let me go a little higher on that. Okay, I gotta do the vanilla and I can't do it with 1 hand, so y'all hang on. We need a teaspoon of vanilla. Now this little thing here is half of a teaspoon, so I'm gonna do 2 of them. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now we're back in business. We're gonna also add 1 stick of melted butter. And we're gonna start adding in slowly 16 ounces of powdered sugar. It's a dessert. It's gotta have some sugar. y'all. The hard work's over. And also, just because this is chocolate and I want add a little extra chocolate, I'm going to be putting on some chocolate chips on the top. So, but the next thing we're gonna do is just pour this over the top. Ooey Gooey butter cake in chocolate. You can use all different flavors. I've done lemon and pumpkin and vanilla. It's hard to know which is my favorite, but I'm glad that I can use this recipe and create wonderful things for my family. All right, let me get this spread out. We're gonna sprinkle this. You should have your oven cranked up to 350 degrees, and I have. So let me get this even and get it looking good. Okay, I'm trying to get it even. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is just take about a cup of these beautiful miniature chocolate chips, but if you've got full size, use full size. Use what you got, people. And we're just gonna sprinkle it all over it. What's not to love? Now, if you want nuts on this, go ahead and throw some nuts on there, but I have someone who's allergic, so the nuts shall stay off. One of my grandchildren's allergic. I know, you never know. Only one out of the 5. All right, there we go. We're gonna cook this 40 to 50 minutes. And we want it to be slightly jiggly in the middle, okay? 40 to 50 minutes at 350. This is what it looks like before it goes in, and I'll pull it out shortly and let you see it. What do you think? How does that look? Does that look scrumptious, delicious? Yes, thank you. We're gonna cut us a little piece and see how we've done. Which piece do I want? I want them all. Gonna get me a corner piece. Y'all have to remember, this is very rich, so you don't need a huge piece. Okay, gonna get me a small piece. This will feed a lot of people. Ooh, yeah. Look at this beautifulness. Yummo. Look at that. Now I'm going into it while it's a little warm, but when you get ready to make yours, let it cool all the way, then you can cut it into nice, beautiful squares. All right, here we go. It's got that cream cheese on the top, and it's got that beautiful chocolate on the bottom. What's not to love? Oh my word. Oh, this is delicious. It hits the chocolate spot, and that topping is wonderful with the extra chocolate. You're gonna love this. Ooey Gooey butter cake. This is in your future. One more bite, just one more bite. This one's your bite. Ooh, baby, it is some count, as my husband would say. The good Lord loves you. I love you too. Go make you an Ooey Gooey butter cake. Bye now.